Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Pop It Bracelets. There is pink, yellow and white, blue and white, orange and blue and pink. Each pack comes with each of the same colors. I got a pink and blue one to have for myself.
Alright, so you just slide it through. Just like that. So we want to make it just a little bit tighter. So I think that we will
It's okay.
put it through. Alright. So one thing that's really good about Pop It is that these can help, you know, kids in school that have trouble focusing and things like that. So I'm going to give it a try too.
That's amazing. I love these. Like, Bobbits are great. Like, yeah. I love Poppets. Like, they were so fun to play with. How do you even get these off?
Alright, so I got mine on. It's alright. And it fits around my arm just fine. Anybody just want to pop them? So they fit on your wrist fine. Kids just need a little extra help.
Yeah, if you want to put these on.